Given that P is equals to bracket open R times K divided by Q minus M times S close bracket all to power 2 over 3, make Q the subject of the relation. B, find correct to two decimal places the value of Q when P is 3, M is 15, S is 0.2, K is equals to 4, and R is equals to 10. So this is our question. Now we are trying to make Q the subject of formula. That means Q should stand alone on one side and every other thing should move to the other side. Is that okay? So we're supposed to remove MS because MS is subtracting. Remember BODMAS? Now when we are solving maths, you're trying to put things together. You start with a bracket before of division, multiplication, then lastly addition and subtraction. That means bracket is the strongest bond, then of and division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction are the weakest bond. So you can, you know, if this were to be a process of magnetization, the strongest magnets will come together first before addition and subtraction will come later, right? But in this case, this is a case of separation. So which bond will be easier to separate? Is it the strongest or the weakest? The weakest. Is like trying to do laundry. It's like trying to do laundry. The weakest stains come off first. So addition and subtraction should come off first. See them here. But the problem we have in this case is they are held together by this power. So you can't come in and obey this rule until you take out this power from here and this guy is open. So we are going to take this out first. How do you take this out? By taking the power of 3 over 2. Is that okay? If I multiply this by 3 over 2, the reciprocal of this fraction, I'm going to multiply this side by 3 over 2, right? So this will cancel this and this will cancel this. We understand? Now this is open. So we have P raised to power 3 over 2 is equals to RK over Q minus MS. You see? It's open. Now we can now obey this rule by separating this guy first. Is that okay? So I'm going to send this guy over here. So we're going to have P raised to power 3 over 2 plus MS. Minus comes over here and becomes plus. That's RK over Q. Now do you see this one single fraction? I can cross multiply. This entire thing can come under and while he goes over there. It's that simple, right? But if you want me to take it step by step, I can bring this guy Q over here to multiply this guy so that RK is now alone. Is that okay? The next step, I send him over down. So that becomes Q, now becomes RK all over P raised to power 3 over 2 plus MS. And that is our final answer. So II says find correct to two decimal places the value of Q. So what will this Q be when I substitute all these values here? Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's have our Q. What's our R? Our R is 10, so we have 10 times what's our K? 4 divided by what's our P? P is 3 raised to power 3 over 2 plus what's our M? 15 times what's our S? 0.2. Okay, so what's that? 10 times 4 is 40 all over. I can decide to let's get this guy up, since we can't find the square root of 3. That is 27. 3 times 3 times 3, so that's 27. The power of 1 over 2 is square root. We know that, right? So we have square root there plus what's this? This is 15 times what is, okay, let's just do it. 0.2 is 1 over 5. So this cancels this 3, right? So we have here 40 divided by root 27 plus this entire thing is 3. So let's just go ahead and see what root 27 is. What's root 27? Point your calculator. That gives you 5.19615 plus 3. Okay, so let's have it over here. So that becomes 40 divided by, let's add those two together. That is simply 8. 5 plus 3 is 8.19615. Point your calculator. Your answer is going to be 4.88034. Let's just stop there. Now they say the question says we should round it up to 2 decimal places. So these are first decimal place, these are second decimal place. This guy is not up to 5, so we can as well just end it there. So that's our answer.